with hope.
Okay.
Are some people born with hope and the others not? Or is it inside you like a need to eat, drink, or keep yourself warm? An instinct? Or is it a belief? Something you believe is out there because someone told you to have hope. Your mother, your priest, teacher. No, Nyara's whole purpose in life is to grab hold of hope. Too much. Too violently. Like he will take it by the neck and throttle it. John's hope is a wish. It can never be and does not exist. Ruth's hope is humble. She can get it, but it's a cruel world so full of men. And Peter's hope is from another world, the ancestors. At least he can believe in it. And me, I will die without it. Like John, I need it, even if it's not real. But mine are just little